Student planning allows you to plan what courses you want to take for upcoming terms. This tutorial explains the process for using the degree requirements defined on the My Progress page. To start the planning process, first log in and navigate to the Student Planning homepage. From the homepage, select My Progress from the drop-down option or select the View Your Progress tile. Scroll to the Requirements section to view the specific core classes, electives, and general education requirements required for your program of study. Both summary and detail information is available along with the number of courses you have already completed within each requirement. Select the Show Details or Hide Details option to expand or hide the detailed display on each requirement. Review the specific requirement for each detail section to determine how many of the listed courses must be completed to satisfy the requirement. Any course that is not yet started displays in red. Planned courses display in yellow. Previously completed courses display in green. When the detailed view is expanded, you can select the course name listed next to a red Not Started course to review that course and potentially add it to your schedule for an upcoming term. After clicking the course name, detailed information from the course catalog will display in the main section of the page, including any prerequisites or co-requisites required for the course and a brief description. On the left-hand side of the page are filter options allowing you to filter the displayed content by location, day of the week, instructor, etc. Once data is filtered as you would like, you then have two choices to plan for the class. The first option is to select the Add Course to Plan button to add the course to a future term. This option does not select a specific time or location for your class and instead adds it to your plan as a placeholder. This action does not register you for the class. The second option is to select View Available Sections. When available, locations and times will be listed for each section. Once you have determined which section has the best location and time for your schedule, select the Add Section to Schedule button. This option adds the section to your plan as a placeholder. This action does not register you for the class.